You also talked about private judging. Saying a little bit more about private judging, please.
So private judging, as far as I'm aware, is primarily available in the United States and not in all states of the US. And it's essentially in the same way as you might go to a private doctor, right, instead of a public doctor at the hospital. This involves being able to go to a private judge and have a private court. So all of the private judges are retired, often early retired public judges. So they've all been on the bench, as it were, and decided to set themselves up as private judges. If you go onto Google and you look up private judging or rent-a-judge, you'll typically find sort of all of these lists of judges and photos and CVs and about their background in private judging, how much they charge per day, and basically what parties agree on is they have the judge of their choice, somebody who they think will really understand the complexity of their problem. They can choose the place and they can choose the time of their court case, if you like. The other thing that parties can do is, to some extent, streamline the discovery process or the pre-litigation process so that that's more efficient as well. Right? They can't do away with it completely, but they can streamline it, which is very efficient. So you get a decision based on law by a judge, right? The judge of your choice, and you get it when you want it. And even if you're paying, say, $10,000 a day for this judge, probably your costs are going to be cheaper than if you go through the regular public system where you don't get to choose your judge and you might be waiting a while before you get to court. In some jurisdictions, for example in California, there is legislation which also recognises the public judging process.
Okay.